Hi, it's Amy Gramowski, Amy the attorney. First, I want to get a few things out of the way. The choice of a lawyer is an important decision and should not be based solely on advertisements. What I'm about to talk about is not legal advice. So I'm just reporting on this and giving it some context in a legal manner. So you may or may not have heard about this report. I'm going to put it on here about a man that has passed away due to a dog mauling. So I'm going to share with you the Fox 4 story about it.
New at 6, a man is mauled and killed by multiple dogs in Kansas City, and a neighbor's security camera caught the deadly attack on video. Police tonight are investigating while the Kansas City Pet Project Animal Services Division assists.
The report goes on to say that a neighbor's video camera caught everything on camera and that the mauling lasted for 30 minutes. They also report that the Kansas City Police Department and the Kansas City Pet Project are investigating this at this time. We're going to talk about the Kansas City Pet Project and how they have authority to investigate in a different video, but meanwhile, we're just going to talk about this. The man was hospitalized and then passed away 4 days later. Obviously, a family that is devastated by this terrible, terrible tragedy. People have asked, can the owner of the dogs be charged? And I want to share with you the statute that would govern this. And this is the Missouri 578.024. And the charge would be keeping a dangerous dog. And here are the parts of keeping a dangerous dog that the state would have to prove in this case. And they would have to know that the owner possesses a dog that has previously bitten a person or a domestic animal without provocation. So these dogs have previously bitten another person or another domestic animal, and then that they have bit somebody on a subsequent occasion. That would be this occasion. So the first hurdle would be for the prosecutor to figure out if there are any other reports of these dogs biting another person or another dog. Now, because this resulted in death, it would be charged as a Class D felony. That means that the charge would be in Jackson County by the Jackson County prosecutor, and they are the ones that would have to hold the burden of proof in the case. So it's obviously just a horrific, terrible situation. This family may have the opportunity to sue civilly the dog owners. That is a different case. That would have to do with damages, the loss of life of this man and their dear brother. I'll be back later in the week to talk about civil liability for dogs that bite. And I'll also be back to talk about the KC Pet Project and how they have the ability to investigate and what their role is in this. And I say that as somebody I've adopted from KC Pet Project, but I want to look at this legally and objectively. All right, y'all have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions in the chat. Bye.